In this video, I will show you how to fix NBA 2K25 error code 727E66AC in PlayStation 5. Go to Settings, then Network, then go to Setup Internet Connection. Choose Wi-Fi or LAN depending on your connection. Select Custom Setup and go to DNS Settings. Choose Manual and enter Google DNS primary 8.8.8.8 for secondary 8.8.4.4. You can also choose Cloudflare DNS server as an alternative for primary 1.1.1.1, for secondary 1.0.0.1. Save the settings and restart your console. Launch NBA 2K25 and check if the issue is resolved. In Xbox console, to change DNS server, open Settings and go to Network Settings. Select Advanced Settings and go to DNS Settings. Choose Manual and enter for Google DNS in primary 8.8.8.8, for secondary 8.8.4.4. Save the changes and restart your Xbox. Relaunch NBA 2K25 and see if the problem is fixed. To change DNS settings on PC, right-click on the network icon on the taskbar and select Open Network and Internet Settings. Click on Change Adapter Options. Double-click on your active network connection. Click on Properties, then select Internet Protocol version 4 and click Properties. Choose Use the following DNS server address and enter. For Google DNS in preferred 8.8.8.8, for alternative 8.8.4.4. You can also use Cloudflare DNS server as an alternative in preferred 1.1.1.1, in alternative 1.0.0.1. Click OK, then close all windows, restart your PC and relaunch NBA 2K25. That's it. By following these steps, you should be able to fix NBA 2K25 error code 727E66AC. If this video helps, like, share and subscribe.